आजको रिपोर्ट तयार भयो? Is today's report ready? Is today's report ready? आजको रिपोर्ट तयार भयो? Is today's report ready? रिपोर्ट पठाइसकेको छु. I have already sent the report. I have already sent the report. रिपोर्ट पठाइसकेको छु. I have already sent the report. के तपाईसँग डेटा छ? Do you have the data? Do you have the data? के तपाईसँग डेटा छ? Do you have the data? मलाई समय चाहिन्छ. I need some time. I need some time. मलाई समय चाहिन्छ. I need some time. ढिला भयो, क्षमा गर्नुहोस्. I'm late. Sorry. I am late. Sorry. ढिला भयो, क्षमा गर्नुहोस्. I'm late. Sorry. यो फाइल गुमेको छ. This file is missing. This file is missing. यो फाइल गुमेको छ. This file is missing. मैले गल्ती गरे. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. मैले गल्ती गरे. I made a mistake. म सुधार गर्छु. I will correct it. I will correct it. म सुधार गर्छु. I will correct it. आज धेरै काम छ. There is a lot of work today. There is a lot of work today. आज धेरै काम छ. There is a lot of work today. म व्यस्त छु. I am busy. I am busy. म व्यस्त छु. I am busy. के तपाईँ फुर्सदमा हुनुहुन्छ? Are you free? Are you free? के तपाईँ फुर्सदमा हुनुहुन्छ? Are you free? यो काम कहिलेसम्म सक्ने? When will this work be done? When will this work be done? यो काम कहिलेसम्म सक्ने? When will this work be done? कृपया चाँडो गर्नुहोस्. Please be quick. Please be quick. कृपया चाँडो गर्नुहोस्. Please be quick. म यो चाँडै गरिरहेको छु. I am doing this quickly. I am doing this quickly. म यो चाँडै गरिरहेको छु. I am doing this quickly. काम सकिएको छैन. This work is not finished. This work is not finished. काम सकिएको छैन. This work is not finished. म भोलिसम्म बुझाउँछु. I will submit it by tomorrow. I will submit it by tomorrow. म भोलिसम्म बुझाउँछु. I will submit it by tomorrow. समय सँगै काम गर्नुहोस्. Work with time. Work with time. समय सँगै काम गर्नुहोस्. Work with time. ढिला नगर्नुहोस्. Don't be late. Don't be late. ढिला नगर्नुहोस्. Don't be late. हप्ताको योजना के छ? What's the weekly plan? What's the weekly plan? हप्ताको योजना के छ? What's the weekly plan? कार्यतालिका मिलाउनुहोस्. Arrange the schedule. Arrange the schedule. कार्यतालिका मिलाउनुहोस्. Arrange the schedule. हामीले लक्ष्य पूरा गर्नुपर्छ. We must meet the target. We must meet the target. हामीले लक्ष्य पूरा गर्नुपर्छ. We must meet the target. अब हामी सुरु गर्न सक्छौं. Now we can begin. Now we can begin. अब हामी सुरु गर्न सक्छौं. Now we can begin. कार्य विवरण लेख्नुहोस्. Write the task details. Write the task details. कार्य विवरण लेख्नुहोस्. Write the task details. हजुर किन आउनुभयो? Why did you come? Why did you come? हजुर किन आउनुभयो? Why did you come? कस्तो सहयोग? What kind of help? What kind of help? कस्तो सहयोग? What kind of help? हजुर के खानुहुन्छ? What will you eat? What will you eat? हजुर के खानुहुन्छ? What will you eat? हजुर जे दिनुहुन्छ त्यही. Whatever you give. Whatever you give. हजुर जे दिनुहुन्छ त्यही. Whatever you give. कहिले जानुहुन्छ? When will you go? When will you go? कहिले जानुहुन्छ? When will you go? शायद भोलि. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. शायद भोलि. Maybe tomorrow. कहिले निस्किनुहुन्छ? When will you leave? When will you leave? कहिले निस्किनुहुन्छ? When will you leave? 2-4 दिनपछि. After few days later. After few days later. 2-4 दिनपछि. After few days later. फेरि आउनुहुन्न. Won't you come again? Won't you come again? फेरि आउनुहुन्न. Won't you come again? फर्केर आउनुहुन्न. Won't you come back? Won't you come back? फर्केर आउनुहुन्न. Won't you come back? सम्भावना कम छ. There is little chance. There is little chance. सम्भावना कम छ. There is little chance. के यो सम्भव छ? Is it possible? Is it possible? के यो सम्भव छ? Is it possible? यो धेरै सम्भव छ. It's highly possible. It's highly possible. यो धेरै सम्भव छ. It's highly possible. कतिको सम्भव छ? How possible is it? How possible is it? कतिको सम्भव छ? How possible is it? यो सम्भव छँदै छैन. It's not possible at all. It's not possible at all. यो सम्भव छँदै छैन. कति समय लाग्नेछ? How long will it take? How long will it take? कति समय लाग्नेछ? How long will it take? एकछिन मात्र. Just a moment. Just a moment. एकछिन मात्र. Just a moment. मैले कति बेर पर्खिनुपर्छ? How long do I have to wait? How long do I have to wait? मैले कति बेर पर्खिनुपर्छ? How long do I have to wait? धेरै बेर पर्दैन. Not too long. Not too long. धेरै बेर पर्दैन. Not too long. कति लामो छ? How long is it? How long is it? कति लामो छ? How long is it? त्यति लामो छैन. Not too long. Not too long. त्यति लामो छैन. Not too long. मोमबत्ती बाल्नुहोस्. Light a candle. Light a candle. मोमबत्ती बाल्नुहोस्. Light a candle. धूप सल्काउनुहोस्. Burn some incense. Burn some incense. धूप सल्काउनुहोस्. Burn some incense. Wall पार्नुहोस्. Drill a hole. Drill a hole. Wall पार्नुहोस्. Drill a hole. खादल खन्नुहोस्. Dig a pit. Dig a pit. खादल खन्नुहोस्. Dig a pit. भित्र पस्नुहोस्. Get in. Get in. भित्र पस्नुहोस्. Get in. आगो बाल्नुहोस्. Light a fire. Light a fire. आगो बाल्नुहोस्. Light a fire. आगो निभाउनुहोस्. Put out the fire. Put out the fire. आगो निभाउनुहोस्. Put out the fire. बाहिर निस्कनुहोस्. Get out. Get out. बाहिर निस्कनुहोस्. Get out. पुल तर्नुहोस्. Cross the bridge. Cross the bridge. पुल तर्नुहोस्. Cross the bridge. बाटो काट्नुहोस्. Cross the road. Cross the road. बाटो काट्नुहोस्. Cross the road. दौड्नुहोस्. Run. Run. दौड्नुहोस्. Run. अझै छिटो दौड्नुहोस्. Run faster. Run faster. अझै छिटो दौड्नुहोस्. Run faster. सिधै अगाडि जानुहोस्. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. सिधै अगाडि जानुहोस्. Go straight ahead. त्यही रोकिनुहोस्. Stop right there. Stop right there. त्यही रोकिनुहोस्. Stop right there. माथि जानुहोस्. Go up. Go up. माथि जानुहोस्. Go up. ढोका धक्काल्नुहोस्. Push the door. Push the door. ढोका धक्काल्नुहोस्. Push the door. ढोका तान्नुहोस्. Pull the door. Pull the door. ढोका तान्नुहोस्. Pull the door. तल आउनुहोस्. Come down. Come down. तल आउनुहोस्. Come down. देब्रेतर्फ फर्कनुहोस्. Turn left. Turn left. देब्रेतर्फ फर्कनुहोस्. Turn left. दाहिनेतर्फ फर्कनुहोस्. Turn right. Turn right. दाहिनेतर्फ फर्कनुहोस्. Turn right. आगो बाल्नुहोस्. Light a fire. Light a fire. आगो बाल्नुहोस्. Light a fire. भित्र पस्नुहोस्. Get in. Get in. भित्र पस्नुहोस्. Get in. मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. I don't know. मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. मैले उनीहरूलाई देखेको छैन. I haven't seen them. I haven't seen them. मैले उनीहरूलाई देखेको छैन. I haven't seen them. हप्तामा एक पटक. Once a week. Once a week. हप्तामा एक पटक. Once a week. सधैँ खुसी रहनुहोस्. Always be happy. Always be happy. सधैँ खुसी रहनुहोस्. Always be happy. एकदमै गलत. Completely wrong. Completely wrong. एकदमै गलत. Completely wrong. अरू केही होइन. Nothing else. Nothing else. अरू केही होइन. Nothing else. मलाई जानकारी दिनु. Inform me. Inform me. मलाई जानकारी दिनु. Inform me. यो धेरै गरुङ्गो छ. It is too heavy. It is too heavy. यो धेरै गरुङ्गो छ. It is too heavy. आफैसँग सोध्नुहोस्. Ask yourself. Ask yourself. आफैसँग सोध्नुहोस्. Ask yourself. अगाडि बढ्नुहोस्. Move forward. Move forward. अगाडि बढ्नुहोस्. Move forward. तिमी कति बेला आउनेछौ? What time will you come? What time will you come? तिमी कति बेला आउनेछौ? What time will you come? चाँडै आउनुहोस्. Come soon. Come soon. चाँडै आउनुहोस्. Come soon. मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. I don't know. मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. यसलाई जटिल नबनाउनुहोस्. Don't make it complicated. Don't make it complicated. यसलाई जटिल नबनाउनुहोस्. Don't make it complicated. यसलाई सरल राख. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. यसलाई सरल राख. Keep it simple. मलाई बाटो देखाउनुहोस्. Show me the way. Show me the way. मलाई बाटो देखाउनुहोस्. Show me the way. ढोका तान्नुहोस्. Pull the door. Pull the door. ढोका तान्नुहोस्. Pull the door. आफ्नो गुरुलाई अभिवादन गर्नुहोस्. Greet your teacher. Greet your teacher. आफ्नो गुरुलाई अभिवादन गर्नुहोस्. Greet your teacher. ढोका ढकल्नुहोस्. Push the door. Push the door. ढोका ढकल्नुहोस्. Push the door. ढोका आधी खुला राख्नुहोस्. Leave the door ajar. Leave the door ajar. ढोका आधी खुला राख्नुहोस्. Leave the door ajar. भित्र आउनुहोस्. Come inside. Come inside. भित्र आउनुहोस्. Come inside. आफूलाई विश्वास गर्नुहोस्. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. आफूलाई विश्वास गर्नुहोस्. Believe in yourself. यो धेरै हास्यास्पद छ. It is so funny. It is so funny. यो धेरै हास्यास्पद छ. This is so funny. मसँग पर्याप्त छ. I have enough. I have enough. मसँग पर्याप्त छ. I have enough. मेरो नजरबाट टाढा हो. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. मेरो नजरबाट टाढा हट. Get out of my sight. मसँग पर्याप्त छैन. I have not enough. I have not enough. मसँग पर्याप्त छैन. I have not enough. टर्च लाइट बाल्नुहोस्. Light the torch. Light the torch. टर्च लाइट बाल्नुहोस्. Light the torch. के तिमी मसँग रिसाएको छौ? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? के तिमी मसँग रिसाएको छौ? Are you angry with me? यहाँबाट जानुहोस्. Get out of here. Get out of here. यहाँबाट जानुहोस्. Get out of here. टिभी खोल्नुहोस्. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. टिभी खोल्नुहोस्. Turn on the TV. होइन, म तिमीसँग रिसाएको छैन. No, I'm not angry with you. No, I'm not angry with you. होइन, म तिमीसँग रिसाएको छैन. No, I'm not angry with you. शुभ यात्रा. Have a safe journey. Have a safe journey. शुभ यात्रा. Have a safe journey. शुभ यात्रा. Have a nice trip. Have a nice trip. शुभ यात्रा, have a nice trip. खाना खानुहोस्, have your meal, have your meal. खाना खानुहोस्, have your meal. पंखा बन्द गर्नुहोस्, turn off the fan, turn off the fan. पंखा बन्द गर्नुहोस्, turn off the fan. शान्त हुनुहोस्, keep quiet, keep quiet. शान्त हुनुहोस्, keep quiet. इमानदार भएर बोल्नुहोस्, speak with honestly, speak with honestly. इमानदार भएर बोल्नुहोस्, speak with honestly. मसँग नाच्नुहोस्, dance with me, dance with me. मसँग नाच्नुहोस्, dance with me. मलाई पर्खनुहोस्, wait for me, wait for me. मलाई पर्खनुहोस्, wait for me. त्यहाँ जानुहोस्, go there, go there. त्यहाँ जानुहोस्, go there. यहाँ आउनुहोस्, come here, come here. यहाँ आउनुहोस्, come here. खाना खानुहोस्, take your meal, take your meal. खाना खानुहोस्, take your meal. कम से कम प्रयास गर्नुहोस्, at least try, at least try. कम से कम अथवा कम्तीमा प्रयास गर्नुहोस्, at least try. केही गर्न समय लाग्छ, it take time to do something, it take time to do something. केही गर्न समय लाग्छ, it take time to do something. चुपचाप खाना खानुहोस्, eat your meal quietly, eat your meal quietly. चुपचाप अथवा चुपचाप भएर खाना खानुहोस्, eat your meal quietly. नहल्लिकन बस, stay still, stay still. नहल्लिकन बस, stay still. मलाई थाहा छ ऊ झुट बोल्दैछ, I know he is lying, I know he is lying. मलाई थाहा छ ऊ झुट बोल्दैछ, I know he is lying.